Digital Partner Success Case Study, Field Service Lightning. In today's fast-paced world, service businesses like maintenance and remodeling companies are always on the move, with technicians working across multiple locations. But when task coordination is scattered, visibility is limited, delays become frequent. Efficiency drops, and customer satisfaction suffers. That's where Digital Partner comes in. We specialize in helping businesses like yours overcome these operational challenges. For one of our clients, a growing maintenance and remodeling company, we implemented Salesforce Field Service Lightning, a solution designed to streamline and optimize field service management. The company faced several obstacles: scheduling tasks, managing resources in real time, and keeping operations running smoothly. With Field Service Lightning, we created a comprehensive platform to organize and monitor all activities in real time. Now, from their central office, the team can see who's assigned to each task, delegate jobs instantly, and maximize the efficiency of each customer visit.
The key features we implement were game changers. A smart technician assignment automatically assigns tasks to the nearest available technician, making response faster and more efficient. Real-time visibility allows the team to constantly monitor task statuses and technicians' locations, providing clear view of all field operations. Route optimization reduces travel times and improves resource allocation, so technicians spend less time on the road and more time on site. Automation of repetitive tasks frees up valuable time, allowing the team to focus on customer needs and deliver exceptional service. The results were outstanding. We reduced response time by 40%, boost technician productivity, and significantly improve customer satisfaction. Now, the team works in a more coordinated and efficient way. Are you ready to elevate your business with Salesforce? Digital Partner is here to help you implement custom solutions that will transform your operations. Visit our website www.digitalpartnersf.com to learn more and schedule a consultation.